Today we're gonna be building a bench. I'm gonna be building this bench out of one 2x12 by 8, two 2x8 by 8s, and one 4x4 by 6. I didn't even know they made that, but I was able to find it. I was able to build this bench, or I'm going to be able to build this bench for around $65. Now this is not a typical bench. It's my spin on a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more laid back, slightly lower to the ground bench. Should be perfect for around the fire on these summer upcoming nights. Let's get started. I'm gonna start by cutting my 2x8s. These are gonna be for the seat and the back. These are 8-foot boards, and I'm gonna be cutting them at 4 feet. Now I'm gonna try and do all of this with a circular saw. So I'm gonna start by setting my depth, which looks good. That way we get the full usage of this 8-foot and 3/8 of an inch long board. All right, that is our seat and our back. Now, I'm gonna pull my phone out for this because I did actually design this. So we're gonna measure, zoom in, 20 inches and 26.5 on the top and 8. That's 8. We're starting from the bottom corner. So 8 up, 20 inches. And 26.5. And then what I'm gonna do, I'll grab a straight edge, not measure. I'm gonna draw my angles out. And this is gonna be the base. So I'm gonna flip this over and cut the other side. That way I can just trace this guy out. Okay. Just getting a straight edge back on there. All right, so I'm gonna measure over 31 inches. And draw a straight line across. And then I am going to connect waste. Okay, that is gonna be our backrest, kind of, sorta. 4x4, 24 inches long. Almost. Boom. Waste. Okay, so we got these guys these guys. Okay, so this is gonna be the bottom, the back, the seat. And then the 4x4 will go on it to make it stand up a little bit taller. So. Next. Okay, so one's gonna be like that. The other one is gonna be the other way. Now, I need to attach that to that somehow. Okay, so I need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna take this drill bit. This is just a step bit that I have. And basically these screws are only 3 inches long. So we need them to be like there, which is, a little tape would be nice, but I got the idea. And then 2 on this side. I don't know if that bit's gonna reach. I might need a little extension. Right. Definitely not gonna reach. I think I need a bigger hole. Let's try that again. Bigger drill bit this time. I think that'll work. Some bigger screws here. Something with like a, I don't know, almost like a lag bolt would work better. But honestly, this thing's gonna be sitting on the ground, so I'm not too worried about it lifting off of there. All right, let's do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so I'm basically just marking on the side of the wood where I want these screws. 1, 2, 3. And then on this side, I'm only gonna be able to get 2 into this board. So we'll go 1, 2. And then I take this board and I flip it over. And I know we gotta go about up to that blue line. Wow, that's perfect. Uh-oh, that one came out the side. Oh, don't do that to me. This will be our ugly side. It is an outdoor bench after all. There we go. Okay, so we have actually what I'm gonna do first, but essentially this is kind of what it'll turn out to be. However, I don't like this point at the top, so what I'm gonna do, get the old trusty square out again. I'm gonna cut this out at 90. I'm gonna make sure it's 1.5 inches. is good. Now let's do this one. 20 up from the seat. There's our seat, so. Okay. All right, so we got one side and we have another side. Now, I will note that I did screw up a little bit, and I have screws on this side and this side. Ideally, I'd keep them both on the inside. That way, you don't have a problem. All right, so I'm gonna make this such that the overhang on the back is like 1.5 inches. So that'll give me 3.5 inches of overhang on the sides. I'm gonna go 1 inch past. I'm gonna space these by 1/2 inch so it feels right. Okay, now we just need to attach our back. So what I'm gonna do for that is I'm gonna flip this guy like this. So it's a little bit easier on me. Now I'm giving it, I think I said 1.5 inches. All right, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's a little bit more laid back. You could definitely sit out by the fire on this one. So this is my bench. Honestly, I love how it turned out. It's good height off the ground. It's very comfortable, something that I could definitely hang out in for a long time, whether it's by the fire or just watching the kids play. Now, if you want to build this bench just like it is, I've got the plans for that, and those will be available in a link in the description or somewhere alongside this video. As always, until next time, be safe and happy building.